What is going on, family? It's your boy Terrill Bennett with Forex Executives, and this is the weekly Forex breakdown. All right, I'm gonna be talking about CADJPY this week. I was able to kill CADJPY Friday, caught about 90 pips on this trade to the upside, bouncing straight off of this weekly support area. And I'm gonna just break down what I think that the market could potentially do in this upcoming week. All right, so right now we are on the weekly chart, and we got this nice little bullish pin bar on the weekly from last week's, but I'm still overall looking at the big picture. I'm still overall bearish on this pair until this trend line is broken. Okay, and I'm gonna break it down to the daily and show you guys what I'm talking about. But we got this nice little bullish bullish pin bar right off of the weekly support area. All right, and so I'm looking for the market to kind of push up into this trend line and possibly get rejected and continue on to the downside. Because if you can look closely, you can see that the market tested this trend line here and was rejected. All right. Also here as well and was rejected. So I'm looking for the market to push up into this trend line. Sorry about that. And then possibly give me a move to the downside. All right, back to retest this weekly support area. So let's just break this thing down a little bit on the daily so you can get a clear picture. All right, so let's just adjust these things because I pushed the trend line over a little bit, and excuse the noise in the background if you do hear that dog barking. But yeah, you can see that the market almost tested this area right here. It was rejected. Tested this area again right here and was rejected. So I'm looking for the market to push up into this area, give me a nice little bearish candle, and then short again down to this weekly support area, retest it one more time before we get a potential move to the upside, because the market is going to probably keep squeezing, and then we're going to get that boom, shoot to the, that shot to the upside. All right, so that's what I'm hoping will happen moving forward. But let's just break this thing down. So like I said, the market pushed down, pulled back, pushed down, tested this area. I caught a short right here at this support area. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me post this trade. And I took profit at 81.90. I jumped in at around 80.98 or something like that. And then the market pushed all the way up to this area, and I took profit on Friday at 81.90. All right, because I seen it kind of bottoming out at this area. Okay. So what I want to see is I want to see a push to the upside to complete this W, and then a move to the downside. But right now, it's actually a nice area to take short right here in this area, because this is kind of a completion of a bearish W and then a move to the downside. But like I say, depending on how the market open, I want to see the market push up to this area and then give me that bearish move all the way down to this to retest this weekly support area. Also, another scenario, okay, another scenario, the market could pull down, all right, and then move all the way up, okay, because like I said, we look again, you can see that the market pushed down, all right, made a lower low, the market pushed back up, all right, and it may come down to make a low here and then push all the way up, break this area, pull back, retest, and then continue to the upside. All right, and if that does happen, this will be a nice inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so that's another thing that I'm looking for the market to potentially do. All right, so I'm gonna be pretty much waiting on price action at this point and seeing how the market opens. If the market opens and it just shorts, like right off the rip, if it's just shorts, then I'll be looking to possibly take this thing up to this trend line area, and we may get that break or pull back and then the move to the upside. But if the market starts to long right out the gate, I'm thinking that the market could potentially go up to this 82.11 area, 82.10 area, and then I'll be looking for the short to take this thing all the way back down to the weekly support area. All right, so let's drop down to the H4. Let's see if we got anything else going on that's kind of painting the picture for us. Okay, so first thing I see is this nice little trend line. All right, so when you're placing the trend line, we're going to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the body of that candle. Okay, so we can see that the market is making these higher lows. All right, you can see that the market pushed up, made a higher low. Market pushed up, made a higher low. All right, after that higher high. So the market kind of got stuck and, you know, didn't make a new high. So we're going to see if the market is going to try to retest this area and give us a triple top. All right, so that's one thing I'll probably be looking at. I'll probably set an alert right here in this 81.90 area. So if price does get here and get rejected, then I'll be looking to take this thing short all the way back down here, because that would be a triple top, at least on the H1. I mean, yeah, on the H1. All right, or like I said, we can get that move to the top of this trend line and then get a move. Or, you know, like I said, I like to paint multiple scenarios. So the market could like just squeeze. Okay, the market could just squeeze in this area and go back and forth, bouncing through these two trend lines. All right, and then till we get a move to the upside or a move to the downside. Okay, so that's one thing to actually keep your eye on as well. So that is, you know, CADJPY in a nutshell for this week. Like I said, I got two scenarios painted. The market could either push up, retest this trend line at the beginning of the week and give me a nice little short down to this area. All right, or the market could go back down, make another higher low, and then explode to the upside. All right, so just keep your eye on this market, man. I think it's going to be a great trading opportunity for this upcoming week. I also got my eye on Great British Pound, USD, and Euro CAD as well. Those are my 3 hot plays for this week. I hope you guys have a blessed week. Let's kill it. I did about 230 some pips last week, so last week was a pretty phenomenal week for me. Follow me on Instagram, man, at Terrill Bennett, same as my YouTube. And also follow the new Forex Executives Instagram page as well, man. That is at Forex Execs. I will put both of them in the description below. Man, you guys have a blessed trading week, and let's murder the markets as usual.